Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well and staying safe during this time. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Like I said, thank you so much for checking me out. If you haven't done so, please make sure to hit that subscribe button just right below the video. Cool, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And if you're returning, welcome back. Thanks again for your support. I truly do appreciate having you here.
XRP price explodes after judge issues ruling against SEC. The price of the crypto asset XRP is surging after a federal judge ruled that Ripple can proceed with one of its central arguments against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Court documents show Judge Analisa Torres has denied the SEC's motion to strike Ripple from using a fair notice defense. The San Francisco-based payments company has long argued that the SEC did not give Ripple adequate notice that the agency considered XRP to be a security. XRP has jumped 15% in the last 24 hours and is at 84 cents at time of publishing. In an interview with Fox News, Ripple General Counsel Stuart Alderete says the order highlights the validity of Ripple's argument. Today's order confirms that there is a serious question as to whether the SEC ever provided Ripple with fair notice that its distributions of XRP, since 2013, would ever be prohibited under the securities laws. We will continue to fight hard in defending this case so that the industry can get the needed clarity it deserves to move forward and thrive. In addition, Judge Torres is denying Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and co-founder Chris Larson's motion to dismiss the SEC's individual charges against them. Alderete says he remains confident that the SEC's allegations will be dismissed. While we would have preferred the cases against Brad and Chris to end now, the court has decided to make the SEC prove its claims. We are confident that ultimately all of the SEC's claims will be dismissed. White House executive order on crypto is setting the stage for massive rally, says Bitwise CIO Matt Hogan. Bitwise CIO Matt Hogan is predicting a bullish forecast for crypto assets after US President Joe Biden signed an executive order that calls for the examination of the potential risks and benefits of blockchain technology. In a new interview on CNBC Crypto World, Hogan says that the executive order marks the beginning of a new bull market phase in the crypto market. The crypto market needs better and clearer regulation if it's going to go truly mainstream. What we got here was sort of a shotgun to start telling all regulators to push that forward in a way that protects investors but doesn't throw the baby out with the bathwater, that keeps the economic development here in the US. I think it's pretty close to the outcome we are all hoping for. Hogan believes that the order could facilitate a longer rally for digital assets as it addresses the lack of regulatory clarity that limits investments in the crypto space. We haven't gone from 0 to 100 on regulatory clarity with this executive order, but what we have done is go from 0 to 1. We've taken the first step to establish a true regulatory regime for crypto. If you believe in the underlying technology, if you believe it's as disruptive as all crypto investors do, you want to see the regulatory safeguards exist that allow that technology to express itself, that allows it to affect not just a little part of society but all of what we do every day, of how finance works, of how the web works. I do think this is a signal moment, and I do think it sets the stage for a bull market that could last at least through this year and potentially beyond. Ripple could beat SEC? Report suggests regulator staff think so. The Ripple case versus the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, could have an unexpected result, according to a report from Fox journalist Eleanor Tourette. The legal battle started almost 2 years ago, in December 2020, and the regulator seemed like the clear winner. Time appears to have favored the payment solution company. Tourette said via her Twitter account that staff from the SEC are losing confidence in a positive outcome for the case. The report quotes a source close with the SEC which claims Commissioner Hester "Crypto Mom" Peirce has raised concerns about the case. Known for her pro-crypto stance, Peirce believes the regulator will not get the outcome it's looking for. Peirce has also publicly expressed concerns over the SEC's actions towards actors in the crypto industry. As Bitcoinist reported back in October 2021, Peirce replied to SEC Chair Gary Gensler's comments on the crypto industry. The head of the regulator compared crypto to the Wild West. Peirce responded by painting a different picture of this time in US history, one where innovation and push boundaries were welcome. At the time, the commissioner said, "The Western frontier was a place for the adventurous, the rough around the edges, the idealists, the freethinkers, and the restless. Because crypto is built on code, the code itself serves as a governor of conduct. But crypto is built on people too, and these people hold each other accountable not only through unbridled public discourse, but through using or not using a protocol." More recently, Peirce called a $100 million fine imposed on crypto lending platform BlockFi disproportionate. In addition, the commissioner said the regulator is not taking the best approach to protect crypto investors while potentially driving off innovation from the United States. Is the Ripple v. SEC case has a tentative ending date? The legal battle between Ripple and the regulator, as mentioned, has dragged out for almost 2 years. The parties have been unable to come to an agreement, leading to a potential one-side outcome for either the SEC or the payment company. Lawyer Jeremy Rogan has been following the case and recently shared information on when Ripple expects it to come to an end. Based on documents filed with the court in the Northern District of California, the company expects August 26 to November 18 as a potential end period. The legal expert added, "I think Ripple thinks it wins the SEC case in Sept/October and then this class action goes away due to collateral estoppel. In the meantime, as the legal case seems to have a clearer direction, XRP makes its way back to the top cryptocurrencies by market cap. The token is at the core of the lawsuit as the regulator accused Ripple of allegedly selling it as an unregistered security. This led to a multi-year downtrend. At the time of writing, XRP trades at 73 cents with a 3.8% rally in the past week. The cryptocurrency has managed to surpass Cardano, ADA, Solana, SOL, and others, taking 4th place in terms of the market cap without counting stable coins, USDC, and USDT. XRP soars 10% after critical update in legal battle. This is what you should know. The price of XRP has begun moving on its own as the legal battle between payment company Ripple and 2 of its executive versus the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, sees a new development. According to a document filed with a court in the Southern District of New York, the district judge will allow the company to use a fair notice defense. In other words, Ripple will be able to argue in its favor that the regulator failed to inform it that XRP and its public sales could potentially violate U.S. law. As previously reported by Bitcoinist, the payment company claims it asked the SEC about its token offering. However, the company claims the fails to provide regulatory clarity regarding XRP. In support of Ripple's defense, there are records of 2 separate reports from legal firm Perkins Coie on the legality of the company's token offering. Date as far as 2021, the reports attempt to demonstrate that Ripple seeks legal consultation before the sales. The report also could be used to demonstrate Ripple even changed its business model to remain compliant with U.S. laws. Stuart Alderoy, general counselor at Ripple, stated the following regarding today's court decision. Today's order makes it clear there's a serious question whether the SEC ever provided Ripple with fair notice that its distributions of XRP, since 2013, would ever be prohibited under the securities law. Good to see the judge rejecting the SEC's attempt to prevent Ripple from pursuing its fair notice defense. It's even more imperative that the sun sets on the SEC's regulation by enforcement approach. XRP decouples from general market sentiment. The XRP community has celebrated the recent court ruling as they consider it will provide an advantage versus the regulator. Commenting on this development, legal expert Jeremy Hogan commented the following. "I know you've been working on the pending rulings in the Ripple v. SEC case this week. On behalf of myself and certain other interested parties, we'd really like to get those rulings today if possible. Boom. And I don't use that term lightly, the SEC's motion to strike the fair notice defense is denied. This is the one I've been waiting for. Now the SEC has something to lose." As a result of these recent developments, XRP trades on an uptrend in lower timeframes. The cryptocurrency has quickly re-entered the top 5 by market cap after a long period of absence. Although a significant win, according to the above-mentioned expert, the legal battle continues. As of press time, XRP trades at 80 cents with a 9.1% profit in the last 24 hours. The cryptocurrency used to occupy the 3rd spot in terms of market cap, only surpassed by BTC and ETH. Remains to be seen if it will reclaim its spot. SEC will lose lawsuit against Ripple, former SEC official predicts. In December 2020, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission filed a lawsuit against Ripple and its chief executives, Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson. According to the SEC, Ripple traded $1.3 billion in their cryptocurrency XRP as a security without notifying the commission. Ripple and other parties have now rebutted the watchdog's judgment with claims of bias. Several significant court actions have occurred over the last year, with a series of back-to-back petitions filed by both sides either being granted or rejected. Twists and turns. In the years since the SEC sued Ripple, the financial community has been divided over the legitimacy of the regulator's claims. While a number of twists and turns have occurred in the case since 2020, no substantial rulings have yet been rendered. In any case, the most recent developments suggest that Ripple is on the winning side, for now, as it won a number of significant motions that could be crucial to its fair motion defense. Specifically, the court last week ruled in favor of Ripple, unsealing two important documents that the company argues will offer some kind of assurance on how the agency categorized XRP when it initially entered circulation in 2012. Lawsuit against Ripple, a major upset? Now, during a recent podcast with Thinking Crypto's Tony Edward, Joseph Hall, the former SEC managing executive for policy, discussed the status of the case, how it has progressed so far, and what to expect moving forward. "I'm not sure what the SEC intends to prove in the XRP action either," Hall said, adding that he remains baffled as to why the SEC brought the case in the first place. He said the Ripple network has been operational for years prior to the filing of a lawsuit against them at the last minute. The ramifications for the SEC and the crypto business in general are enormous. Shut down. According to Hall, the SEC has a lot riding on this lawsuit, and their entire regulatory effort may be effectively shut down if they fumble on the merits. Ripple has a strong defense on the grounds that the SEC failed to give fair notice of its investigation, according to Hall. Individuals and corporations are required to be notified if they are being scrutinized by the regulator. The XRP community has expressed its dismay and concern since the beginning of the lawsuit. In Hall's view, the same is pretty compelling and might matter to a judge, but might not necessarily act as a trump card. The game-changing question. According to Hall, the lawsuit against Ripple may not end up in the manner anticipated by the SEC. A judge in a lawsuit may only ask one question. If you are aware that XRP is a concern and have knowledge of it since 2012, why now?
I'm your guy. I will keep you posted. I'm your advocate. I'll be back on a daily basis, usually multiple times per day, with these videos to keep you updated with everything going on. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't done so, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Feel free to share any of my videos with your friends, family, social media, or anybody who may care to listen. Thanks so much for your continued support. I'm always here for you. I want to help you through this time. So thank you so much for continuing to choose me. Enjoy your day, stay safe, and I'll catch you again probably in a couple hours. Thanks everybody. See you later.